Hi guys, my name is Nishant, APS 145 NAA, and I am representing group number 1 this week. That is my group for the workshop 1. For workshop 1. So here I go. One with the challenge. John and William are standing with their friends and were discussing about NBA. During the conversation, they both challenged each other for a basketball shootout and decided that whosoever will win gets a coffee or tea from the loser. So now that they both challenge, as they both accepted the challenge, so now here they were in a dilemma like who will go first, like John or William. So they decided to throw a die. The per So now as they both threw the die, so here comes the rule. The person with a lower die number gets a chance to select who goes first. Like if John wins, he will get a chance to select like he himself want to go first or he wants William to go first. So in case, but another situations come in case of tie. In case of tie, they will again throw the dice. Okay. So here are the results. Who will get a chance to play first now, huh? So here I go. John wins, huh? As he got the lower die number and gets a chance to select who goes first. Like he himself want to go first or he wants William to go first. So he selected William. Oh, to go first. Okay. So here I go. As the shootout was time taking, so they decided to limit the throws to that is 3 attempts each one. So and the game begins like it was conducted in 2 sessions, like once at a time. Firstly, William will throw 3 baskets and gets his score, and then John will throw 3 baskets and their score is distributed. So now the John and the William was able to try 3 by 3 score in the first attempt, that game tie, and after a tie they decided to go again. So here are the scoreboard for the second attempt. John was able to score 2 by 3 and William was 1 by 3. John was ahead by him by 1 point. According to the rule, the number of teas or coffee that the loser will give to winner will be equal to the score of winner, that is 2. According to the rule, William has to give John 2 coffees or teas. But their friend shouted from back as they forgot the rule of if there are if there are tie rounds before any winning rounds, there was a different rule. So rule was there. But in our case, as the second attempt was the winning round, not the first, that is a tie before the winning round. Okay, here was the rule that the number of coffees or teas is reduced by half for every tie. Okay, for every tie and then rounded up to nearest whole number. Okay, so this was the rule. So now he doesn't get a 2 coffee, he only gets a 1 coffee, because like y, if we put y here equal to 2 into 1 by 2 raised to power, what we say, 1. So what comes here, uh, like if we put 2 by 3 into 1 by 2, 1 by 3, like 0.2 something, so it will be 1 nearest integer, so he will get a 1 copy. So according to the game, John has to offer a cup of coffee to William for 1 day, and that's the bet he has asked for. And so finally the game ended with a cup of coffee in William's hand and John staring his eyes red at him. So, why my product is good? As it was able to accomplish the following scenarios, so I think my product was good. As It provided the solution to obstacles, as in case of die tie, as in case of basketball tie, as in case of tie before the winning rounds. We have solutions to all the obstacles. We were able to decide the winner even after a tie. The solution was not biased towards any of the player. That's a good thing in my program. And there was no space for foul play. There was no cheating over at all. So here's this presentation, and thank you.